Hey guys, thanks for coming by Simply Jubilee. I'm just giving you a quick garden update here at the end of August. Specifically, I'm just looking at my peppers. I have a ton of things that are nice and ripe at this point. All of these red ones you're seeing through here are my red hot cherries, and they're best when picked in this bright red shade, although you can eat them when they're green or any other color. I have some nice cayenne peppers ripening up back here. Jalapenos, which again you can eat when they're green, but are best when picked when they're red. I have poblano that are ripening up really nicely, and I'm excited to do something with. A bunch of sweet Hungarian wax here. These are perfect for making pickled pepper slices to do on sandwiches. And then down here, tons of sweet peppers that are ready for harvest as well. My lipstick peppers, these are a sweet variety that do turn red when ready to pick, but like with any pepper, you can pick them at any point and they're perfectly ready to eat. Those are starting to all turn though. These are my Cubanelles. And then right down here, everything's kind of overgrown. I have my Hungarian. I'll post the name of that type in the comments because it's long and complicated. But they have these cute little shapes and they turn orange. So everything is shaping up really nicely here. I'm gonna go make some salsa. Have a good one.